Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, your iPhone and the car head unit. Use an Apple-certified lightning cable and inspect it for damage. A good cable prevents intermittent drops. On your iPhone, open Settings General CarPlay and make sure CarPlay is enabled for your vehicle. Once done, unlock the iPhone, then plug it into the car's USB port labeled for Data or CarPlay. Don't use a charging-only port. This step establishes the initial handshake between devices. Once the cable is connected, you'll see an authorization prompt on your iPhone and often on the car display. Accept both to allow data exchange. You should enable Siri because CarPlay relies on voice for navigation and messages. Go to Settings Siri and search if needed. Make sure microphone access and notifications are permitted so calls and alerts work. Then customize the app order in Settings CarPlay to surface the apps you use most for quicker access while driving. To finish, test common tasks. Start navigation, play audio, make a call, confirm audio routes to car speakers. If something fails, first unplug and replug, then restart your iPhone. A quick reboot often clears handshake errors. If problems persist, swap to a known good Apple cable and check CarPlay permissions again. Make sure both your car's infotainment firmware and iOS are up to date. If still broken, reset the car's infotainment settings as a last resort to clear corrupt profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.